Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by x. Next, this one that is about identities. So I will put about x plus 1 everything to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over x b over x plus 1 square c over x plus 1. Because we have the power number 2, that's why we need to have two fractions related to x plus 1. Next, we need to do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about x plus 1 to the power of 2. So capital 8 multiplied by x plus 1 to the power of 2. About this one, it is missing about x. So capital B multiplied by x. About this one, it is missing about x and x plus 1. So this one I can put like this. Next, we need to expand this one, and we have x squared plus 2x plus 1. About this one, it is missing about x squared plus x. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of x. About x squared, we have a plus c. About x, we have 2a plus b plus c. About the numbers, we have only 8. Now we need to compare coefficients. We have x squared, so a plus c equals to number 5. We have x and x, so number 20 equals to this one. And the numbers, number 6 equals to 8. And now we need to create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So 8 equals to number 6, B equals to number 9, C equals to negative number 1. So we put A, B, C. Go back in here. So 8 equals to number 6, B equals to number 9, C equals to negative number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 6 Fn of the absolute value of x. The integration of this one, we have negative number 9 over x plus 1. The integration of this one, we have negative Fn of the absolute value of x plus 1. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.